Hey, what's up everybody? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we have an exciting recipe because I get this question a lot. How do I stay fit and love pizza? Well, I'm with you there because let's be real, pizza is one of everyone's favorite meals to have, but it can be a little bit unhealthy to eat. So I wanted to show you guys a healthier version today of a veggie pizza. The reason why this pizza is so healthy, and it's not all the vegetables, it's actually this cauliflower crust. It has way less grams of carbs than a regular pizza crust, plus way more fiber, and fiber is so necessary for our digestive system, aka going to the bathroom. So, I am going to show you what you'll need besides the cauliflower crust. I actually got that from Venice Bakery. I think they sell it at like Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Costco, so make sure to check that out. And then I want to show you what goes on the pizza. Here are my ingredients. So I'm actually using some diced canned tomatoes. I'm not using any tomato sauce just because I find that a lot of the bottled marinara sauces actually have a lot of sodium and a lot of extra sugars, and I find that building this healthy pizza, we don't need that huge marinara sauce base because you're just gonna get a lot of more calories in there, especially more sugars, and we wanna go the healthiest route. So I'm just using some diced canned tomatoes, but as you see, it's a little bit watery, so it's perfect for the sauce. And then what else you'll need is just 1/4 sliced red onion, some garlic. I'm using about 1½ or 2 cloves, 1 full zucchini, but I'm actually only gonna be using half, and they're very thinly sliced. Then I'm gonna be using 1/3 cup of these awesome diced cherry tomatoes. Yes, you are going to need the canned diced tomatoes plus the diced cherry tomatoes. They're both different. And I got this fresh mozzarella ball over here, so we are really going all out with the fresh cheese. And I'm gonna be using a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, some olive oil, and to top it off, I'm obsessed with some arugula on my pizza. So, already I got my oven preheated to 350, and before we put anything on the pizza, I'm actually just going to saute all these veggies right here. What I'm gonna do is take 1 teaspoon olive oil, dump it in the pan, saute the tomatoes. After the tomatoes have sauteed for a bit, throw in those thin zucchini slices. Whoops. Last but not least, the red onion slices. Perfect, and now it's time to build our pizza. Take your cauliflower crust, I like to put mine on a cookie sheet just like this. Now it is time to build our pizza as the veggies are sauteing just a little bit. First things first, what we wanna do is just take a little bit of olive oil, drizzle it on the crust. Then I am going to actually just take my hands and spread the diced tomatoes a little bit evenly throughout the crust. And by the way, I am using 3/4 cup of these diced tomatoes. And here's the fun part, cutting the mozzarella. All right, here we go, you guys. I'm just gonna cut it into thin slices. So we're making kind of like a margarita pizza here. Oh yeah, so cut the mozzarella into thin slices, just like that. I'm gonna place it on my pizza evenly. Next step, after you have that mozzarella layered on there just evenly throughout the crust, you're gonna take your lightly sauteed vegetables. The reason I already sauteed them for just a few minutes before I put it in the oven is because the cauliflower crust actually cooks really fast, and so I love when my veggies are really crispy on top of my pizza. That's just me. So that's how I do it. I'm gonna evenly spread these veggies throughout my pizza. This looks so good so far. I am going to crush some garlic onto the pizza, and this tastes so good. I'm actually using 2 cloves, but that's just because I love garlic. You guys can use probably 1 clove if you're not such a big fan like I am. So just place it right on top. Yum. Then I'm just gonna layer just a little bit sprinkle of some more olive oil, and then some salt and pepper. Now I'm going to place it in the oven, save that arugula for after it's done. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It looks so incredible. And the best part is you feel like you're cheating a little bit with a cheat meal, but you're not at all because it's pretty healthy. A veggie cauliflower crust pizza. Seriously, this garlic smell is giving me life. All right, I'm going to cut the pizza and give it a taste. All right, and last but not least, before I forget, place some arugula on top of your pizza. And you are good to go. This looks so good. So I hope you guys really enjoy this veggie, gluten-free, healthy pizza because it's delicious, it's good for you, and I highly recommend you trying it. Bye guys. Now it's time to eat.